time.
A shooting at a Rio Rancho restaurant and bar led to an arrest. No one was hurt.
But court documents have raised questions. Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli is here now with what caught his attention.
Yeah, Shelley and Doug, according to those court documents, the officer who responded could not get a hold of a judge to get a warrant for the arrest. 20 minutes after midnight on August 12th, a shooting happened outside of Tappan Taco in Rio Rancho. A suspect was identified using video footage according to this criminal complaint. That suspect, 40-year-old Lorenzo Lozoya.
If you're a prosecutor or law enforcement officer, you always want to get a warrant. It's better to have a warrant.
The criminal complaint claims that the officer tried to get a warrant for Lozoya. It states, after multiple attempts and numerous hours waited to get an arrest warrant approved through the 13th Judicial District On-Call Judge program, no contact with the on-call judge has been made.
If there's some problem and a judge who's on call is not accessible a few minutes after midnight, then I would think that that judicial district, the chief judge of that district, is going to want to take a hard look at that system and see why that system did not operate the way it was supposed to.
We reached out to the 13th Judicial District Court to figure out why the judge didn't respond. They sent us this official signed statement saying, in part, the court is not able to comment on any open pending matter. For many years, a 13th Judicial District Court judge has been available after regular court business hours to receive requests from law enforcement. The district court will work with law enforcement to address any problems they may encounter in this process and implement improvements as necessary. Lozoya was eventually arrested, but looking at his court records, no signed warrant shows up, so it's unclear if there was ever a warrant signed.
The officer doesn't necessarily need a warrant to go make a felony arrest, but they do have to establish through their own investigation or investigation with other officers that there are sufficient facts to establish the reasonable grounds to get the warrant to make the arrest.
And Lozoya was charged with shooting at or from a motor vehicle and aggravated assault. Both are fourth-degree felonies. I'm John Cardinelli reporting KOAT Action 7 News.
When contacted, Rio Rancho police would only refer us back to the court.